Hello and welcome back for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And we have seen a reaction of this target area, and there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up and see a break above resistance at around the $0.3075 mark, and a break above resistance. Then we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and see a break above the significant high at around the $0.3306 mark, and a break above that. Then we can expect a very impulsive move here on the Fantom chart. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, and that is after seeing the massive breakdown on the 10th of June in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.2141 mark. And afterwards we started a very nice recovery to the upside, where we first peaked in this 1-2 setup, and after seeing the 1-2 setup we saw this other 1-2 setup, where we can term this as a wave 1, then a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, managing to get into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have fully maximized. And what that means is that there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and Fantom is now ready for a massive pump to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas, assuming that we are not going to see one more new low in the formation of this wave 2, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.3945 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Fantom to do in the formation of that wave 3. And those are my breakout targets here on the Fantom chart, which I'm expecting very soon, where we can first watch out for the key area of resistance at around the $0.3075 mark, and a break above that, watch out for a successful retest, then continue gearing up to the next significant high for this larger Elliot wave count 1 at around the $0.3306 mark. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term point of view. And if I zoom out to give you my long-term analysis here on the Fantom chart, still basing it on the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that after seeing our November lows down here, we saw a 5-wave structure to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.65 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. Then afterwards we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the chart using this yellow target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and we are now ready for a pump in the formation of this wave 3. And for us to confirm that the low for the second wave is in and the start of an impulse in that wave 3 has now started, we first need to see Fantom give us a complete 5-wave structure on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure and a break above significant highs here on the charts. The moment we see such a scenario, then that is enough confirmation that we have a low in place for that wave 2, and we have started an impulse in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the long-term point of view and also on the short-term point of view. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 50 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.